Hi guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the best and worst advent calendars of 2019. This year I have unboxed 21 advent calendars, some of them with great value and some very bad. We have two types of advent calendars, the one brand beauty advent calendar like by Nyx Cosmetics, NARS, Maybelline, and the other type is the multi-brand advent calendar like the ASOS, Look Fantastic, Glossybox and a lot of others. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite advent calendar of this year. Do you like the products? Is it in one brand, multi-brand? I want to start off with one of my least favorites, and this is by Kiko Cosmetics. I was very surprised by the variety of that one, and the price of it was 30 euros. We got 24 products. At the end of that video I have calculated the total value of the advent calendar and it is 43 euros, which is not that great, but this is not the worst part. The variety of the products was very disappointing. We got 9 mini size products and also 4 coupon codes, so you can use them with your next purchase. I found that very tacky, I would say. I was very disappointed because I know that they have so many products in their collection and I just couldn't believe that they decided to have in the advent calendar coupon codes. The next is one that I actually liked a lot, and this is by Look Fantastic. This is one of the multi-brand advent calendars. That means that we got makeup products, also skincare or hair products. So if you're not very interested in trying new products for your skin or hair or body in general, you're not going to like this type of advent calendar. But in case that you want to try this type of products, the Look Fantastic advent calendar is great for that. The variety was very good for the makeup products, the skincare, everything. The cost of it is 89 euros. We got 25 products and let me see the overall value. I have my notes here. Yeah, so the overall value for the products is 454 euros. We also got a day cream that cost 112 euros. I was so impressed by this advent calendar. Moving on to another beauty advent calendar that was expensive as well, but the value was not there, and this is by Nyx Cosmetics. The variety was disappointing. Also the cost of it is 150 euros. We got 24 products and the value was 328 euros. The reason that I didn't like this advent calendar a lot is because we got 6 samples. Not mini size products, samples. They actually say on the packaging, not for sale. Some of you also told me that more expensive brands are stingy with the products, and now I can see that. Another brand with not the best advent calendar is W7 Cosmetics, and this one is one of the most affordable. You can also find it now for half price, I think. I didn't like the variety. We got a lot of mini size products. Also the lip products are looking like kids makeup. I really wanted to try more of their products, that's why I got the advent calendar, but in the end I was very disappointed. To break these negative vibes, let's continue with a very nice advent calendar, and this is by Nyx Cosmetics. This year they had 4 advent calendars and I bought 2 of them. My favorite is the 24 days of advent calendar, the big one, the cube. We got only full-size products. We had a lot of lip products, so if you're not into that, you can just keep them and make gift sets for your friends. We didn't get one lip gloss in a lot of shades. We had a lip scrub, lip balm, lipsticks, lip glosses, lip liners, a lot of new products as well. They also had new releases. That's very rare for beauty advent calendars. We never see new products. According to my notes, I have paid 59 euros. We got 24 products and the total value is 177 euros, which is fantastic. If you want to try Nyx products, try to find this advent calendar. It's not easy. I think it was sold out immediately when it was first released. I want to continue with another advent calendar that I liked a lot, and this is by Maybelline. This year they released 2 advent calendars, and I prefer the first one with the boxes that I have unboxed because it has a better variety of products. The second advent calendar has a great value, but we got a lot of mascaras, which is not bad. I think that both of the advent calendars are really good if you want to get one. H&M also released this year a beauty advent calendar, and it was not that great. We had a lot of tiny products. The glittery gel eyeshadows were very weird, and also some of them had synthetic hair in them. Also the glitter were looking very cheap that I don't even want to open and use them. I think I'm just going to give them to a friend with children for any future glitter projects because I'm not going to use them. However, the packaging was super cute. We had a very beautiful pink house, but it didn't contain a lot of great products. After that we have an advent calendar with a great variety of products, and this is by Glossybox. Now I didn't know that they have a different advent calendar for each country. I ended up getting the German version, which was not bad. It is actually very good, but I would like to get the English version because it has that tart contouring palette. I'm a little bit jealous, but the German one is not that bad. One of the latest advent calendars that I have unboxed this month is by Sephora. Not the Sephora favorites, the Sephora advent calendar. The little penguin theme, frosted party, the turquoise box. And how can I say it? This one is one of the worst advent calendars that ever existed on planet Earth. That's very dramatic, but it was very bad. I was getting some comments on my H&M advent calendar or the Kiko advent calendar or some other unboxing videos. You guys were saying, okay, this is better than the Sephora advent calendar. And I was like, are they serious? I had already bought that one and I was looking at it. Are you bad? Are you bad? And you were totally right. I couldn't believe in my eyes the products that I found in that box. Most of the products are meant for only one use. They are not even samples. You can use them just once. And we got those wipes, that pin, which is adorable, but a pin in a beauty advent calendar. Last year they also had a very disappointing advent calendar, and a lot of people were talking about that. I'm guessing that they just don't watch YouTube reviews or they just don't care. Who knows? Let's continue with one of the surprises in the Beauty Advent Calendars collection. And this one is by Amazon Beauty. They actually made a very nice advent calendar. However, it is a multi-brand advent calendar, so we didn't have only makeup products. But I think that this type of advent calendar is great if you want to try new skincare products or hair products, body products. The cost of the Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar is 59 euros. We had 24 products and the total value is 243 euros. That is amazing. Here you can find all of my unboxing videos, and I'm going to post more videos with the products of the Beauty Advent Calendars, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Calendars collection this year. I'm a little bit jealous. Here you can find, oops, I'm losing my ring. What was that? No.